had a bath.
Miss Akogo.
Stop now. Hey
Where
guys,
is the?
good
How would
morning.
I
I
know
just
that the
had a
laptop is
bath.
charging?
Just leave it. So good morning, guys. I just had a bath right now. I'm rushing to class like this morning. I got my nails done yesterday. Just one I did myself. So I'm rushing to class. It's for 8, and I just want to like carry you guys along, show you the basic makeup that I don't know. The makeup that I just do, like not normal makeups to class and everything. Alright guys. Bye.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. 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 I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
Hi guys, good morning. So I am at home today. My class is for 12. I'm ignoring the 9 a.m. class. I just want to like just a random thing. I want to prepare rice and stew. And you guys so I bought this yesterday for 300 naira. Like these two for 300 naira. You tell anybody in Benin this, they wouldn't believe you. Oh, see what I bought for 100 naira. I got this one for 100 naira. These are prawns and this is fish or 200 naira. So let's just go. This is my safe space. Guys, I'm waiting for course advisor. I have not been at the gym in like 4 days, so we'll see how this goes. But first, doing my hair. It's a I'm waiting for my course advisor now. I've been waiting for about an hour. If I'm gonna be honest, sorry. Nigerian university. It's crazy. So guys, this is exactly 4:30 something. I am starting my examination today. Look at your girl. I want to go back to sleep. Okay, it was blurry there. Anyway, I am starting my exam today. Today is I think the 3rd of December, right? Maybe second. I don't know today's date, but I'm starting my exams today and it's for 8 9. The I don't know, they're not yet set. The date is just anyhow. So I'm having CED, it's like an entrepreneurial course and everything today. But I want to go back to sleep now. Like, look at my materials. I have been reading, like, this is just proof that I've been reading, okay? Anyway, guys, bye. When I'm leaving, hopefully I'll remember to vlog. But for now, peace. So, hi guys, it's Sunday and I'm like a little late for church. I sort of like vlogging. I'm showing you guys that I'm going to church. I'm ending this vlog. I don't know if it's any other thing, I'll put it in the vlog, but I'm going to church and I'm just working whatever you're seeing.